Core Basic English about the discussion of each paragraph. Paragraph 1. The first paragraph is about providing goods and service, where goods have meaning, namely products with physical form that make them visible, feel, touch it, hail, and receive it other treatment. While the service itself has the meaning of activity that provide benefits. So, goods and service have a relationship with each other. If we provide goods, of course we need service. This activity is offered by one party or seller to another party or buyer, without harm and without generating ownership. For example, in the process of the transaction goods, there will be a transfer of ownership from the seller to the buyer. While in the service transaction process, ownership is not transferred because the service has no form and can only be felt. Another example is that a man can buy 7 cars, and as a service, there is someone who takes care of his car. Paragraph 2. In this second paragraph contains the purchase of goods and services that are not important but provide certain personal satisfaction. The meaning of this word is that we can buy expensive or inexpensive things, but not because of the price we buy. We buy them just because we buy. We buy them just because we want to get satisfaction and pleasure for ourselves. For example, when parents accompany their children to the cinema to watch cartoons, they can watch them at home on television. But to be able to see the child getting satisfaction and pleasure, parents can ignore things that are not important according to them. Another example is when going for a walk to the mall. The children want to play games. According to children, playing the game can give satisfaction for themselves. Paragraph 3. This third paragraph contains economic facts where we live and explain how it works. Economic is based on the facts of our daily life and, of course, must be thoroughly objective and scientific. Economic facts in everyday life make us wiser in using the resources we have. This economic fact studies the way for the system of human behavior to meet the needs of life in order to achieve prosperity and play an important role in regulating the principle of basic social or community needs. For example, in planting rice, of course, we know how it works, how to work in planting, caring for the process of planting and selling. That way, of course, we get a place to live. What is meant by this place to live is that when we work, of course, we get wages to meet the necessities of life. Paragraph 4. This paragraph deals with needs and wants. These needs is something that must be met cannot be postponed. But if the desire is something that must be fulfilled but can still be postponed, needs that cannot be postponed are basic needs, namely rice, sugar, oil, and so on. Because we need them to eat. Without these basic needs, humans will starve and die. Clothing and shelter are also necessities that cannot be postponed. Because we need clothes for our daily use, and we need a place to live for shelter from the hot sun and cold rain. Will the needs that must be met but can still be postponed. For example, we want to buy a branded bag at a very expensive price, but we have a need to pay for household expenses. We can't just buy the branded bag now, but household needs are more important. Therefore, the purchase of the bag can be postponed in advance. Another example, for example, is that we want to buy shoes that are viral but are expensive, so we can delay the purchase time for a few months because for sure the price will be a little bit down. That's all I can say. Thank you. See you later.